Looking to build a professional online store without breaking the bank? In today's video, we're covering the 14 best free WooCommerce themes that offer premium features at zero cost. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced shop owner, these themes can take your e-commerce store to the next level. Let's dive into the list. We'll be showcasing themes that offer speed, flexibility, and customization options, perfect for any niche. Stick around to find out which theme is ideal for your specific business, whether it's fashion, tech, or beyond. Although these themes are free, many offer paid pro versions that unlock additional features and advanced customization options, providing even greater flexibility and functionality for your website. WooCommerce is the go-to platform for building online stores, powering millions of websites globally. But to make your store truly shine, you need the right theme. And that's where free WooCommerce themes come in, offering sleek, professional designs without a hefty price tag. So let's go. Astra. Known for being lightweight and fast, Astra is ideal for beginners. It offers a range of starter templates to quickly get your store up and running. Woostify. Woostify is a performance-optimized e-commerce theme with features like product swatches and video galleries, fully customizable for product pages, carts, and checkout. It's ideal for fashion stores aiming for a seamless shopping experience. Kadence. Kadence is a versatile theme with built-in drag-and-drop editing and WooCommerce-specific layouts for product pages and checkout. It's perfect for creating highly personalized e-commerce sites. Botiga. Botiga is designed to showcase your products elegantly, offering minimalistic but modern layouts, ideal for stores focused on high-quality visuals and a product-centric approach. Blocksy. A fast, lightweight, and SEO-friendly WooCommerce theme with a modern design. Blocksy offers real-time layout changes via live preview and seamless plugin integration, ideal for SEO-focused websites. Neve. Neve is a versatile theme ideal for e-commerce stores with blogs, offering custom layouts, optimized checkouts, and a floating cart. It includes over 100 starter templates with global color options. Ocean WP. Ocean WP is a WordPress theme packed with premium features, offering customizable templates, multiple page layouts, and seamless integration with e-commerce plugins like WooCommerce. It also includes 7 free extensions, such as Post Slider and Modal Window, to enhance website functionality. GeneratePress, a fast-loading, multi-purpose theme with a 100% page speed score, perfect for media-heavy e-commerce stores. Its block-based theme builder allows easy customization of everything from the homepage to sidebars, making it ideal for creating stylish, user-friendly websites without coding. Zakra. Lightweight and SEO-friendly WordPress theme offering seamless WooCommerce integration. It includes a library of starter sites compatible with page builders like BlockArt and Gutenberg, along with customization options for color palettes, Google Fonts, and more, making it ideal for building a full-fledged e-commerce store. Sydney. Sydney combines blog templates with online store layouts to create elegant e-commerce websites. It features minimalist, responsive designs with unique carousel displays and extensive customization options. Hestia, a one-page theme ideal for compact online shopping sites, featuring a streamlined scrolling layout and customizable sections with page builders. It includes mega menus for clean navigation and is compatible with WooCommerce for optimized e-commerce functionality. Vantage, a customizable and responsive WooCommerce theme for diverse e-commerce applications. Vantage integrates with the site origin CSS editor and offers retina-ready color templates, numerous widgets, and access to support forums. With flexible layouts and menu options, Vantage helps create modern, user-friendly e-commerce websites. Storefront, developed by WooCommerce, is a widely used WordPress theme with a minimalist design that supports over 160,000 live websites. It provides excellent customization options, strong security, and seamless integration with popular plugins. Colibri leverages the WordPress customizer to provide complete layout control, featuring over 60 pre-made templates and powerful personalization options. Its user-friendly drag-and-drop interface allows for easy website design using content blocks, enabling the creation of highly personalized e-commerce sites with unique features like hero sections and slideshows. These 14 themes provide something for everyone, from minimalistic designs to feature-packed layouts. Whether you're looking for speed, customization, or SEO optimization, these free themes can help you launch a professional-looking store in no time. If you're ready to start building your WooCommerce store, try out one of these free themes today. And if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more e-commerce tips, and check out the link below for Bluehost WooCommerce hosting to keep your site running smoothly. And if you want to learn more about each of these WooCommerce themes, check out our blog post in the description below.